Energetic Clearing Technique for Cough by Claudia McNeely. I ask my spirit to go throughout time, through my ancestry, through my soul's lineage, through my soul contracts, through all of my aspects, and locate all causes, signs, symptoms, side effects, predispositions to, and damage from, all the ways and all the reasons me or any of my aspects feel or have ever felt symptoms of cough, croup, whooping cough, and any similar feeling, thought, or emotion. Take my higher self and every aspect of my being to the very first incident that caused this issue to start. Analyze every aspect of it and heal it perfectly, permanently, and completely. Come throughout time, through my ancestry, through my soul's lineage, through my soul contracts, through all of my aspects, healing each incident based upon the foundation of the first, until I'm at the present, filled with light, love, peace, and truth. I am healed and healthy. My throat is comfortable. I breathe easily and gently. All congestion is gone. Know that every negative thought or inappropriate behavior based on this issue quickly disappears. Take all the time you need, Spirit, but quicken time and do the job now. Thank you, Spirit.